Hello dear students, I am Ashok, Maths faculty in Gudda Public School, Gudda Gorji. Now today we are going to discuss about the chapter of class 10. Name of this chapter is Measures of Central Tendency. In central tendency, we can study about the group of informations or data. First point, mean. The formula of mean is sum of all observations upon total number of observations. You can say this mean is also average or arithmetic mean. You can understand through some examples. First example is, you can see in your book. First example, marks obtained by 10 students of a class. Marks obtained by 10 students. It means number of students. It means number of students n is equal to 10. Okay. Marks obtained by 10 students of a class in mathematics are 52, 75, 40, 70, 43, 40, 65, 35, 48 and 52. Here in this question we want the arithmetic mean. Again listen question. Marks obtained by 10 students of a class in mathematics are these marks. Then find their arithmetic mean. Formula of the arithmetic mean is sum of all observations, and these values are observations. It means first sum. 52 plus 75 plus 40 plus 70 plus 43 plus 40 plus 65 plus 35 plus 48 plus 52, and now divide by total number of observations, and total number of observations are 10. Now after addition of observations, value is equal to 500 upon total number of observations 10. 0 to 0 cancel, then value is 50. It means we can say mean of these marks is 50. Now next question. Second question, see in your book. The monthly salaries of subordinate employees of a school are given 1720, 1750, 1760 and 1710. Then find the arithmetic mean. You can solve same to same question. 4 values are given and number of observations 4, and 4 observations are given. Then mean is sum of all observations upon total number of observation. Now next question number 3. Question number 3 is, if the arithmetic mean of the marks, listen carefully, if the arithmetic mean of the marks, and marks equal 3, 4, 8, 5, x 3, 2, 1. Listen, if the arithmetic mean of the marks, these marks is 4, means observations 3, 4, 8, 5, x 3, 2 and 1, and mean is equal to 4. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. You also know about the formula of mean. Mean equal to sum of observations upon total number of observations, and value of mean. In this question value of mean is given 4 equal sum of all observations. Observations are 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus x plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and divide by total number of observations. Total number of observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in divide after transpose in multiply, it means 8 4 jam 32, equal 3, 4, 7, 8, 15, 5, 20, 23, 25 plus 126. 26 plus x. Here we are going to find the value of x. It means plus 26 after transpose minus 26. Then value is 32 minus 26 equal x. It means 32 minus 26 x. X is equal to 6 is the answer. Now next question number 3 completed. Next question number 4. Question, see in your book. The run scored in 10 innings by a batsman. Run scored in 10 innings. 10 innings, it means total number of observations. Total number of observations n is equal to 10 by a batsman are 60, 62, 56, 64, 0, 57, 33, 27, 9 and 71. All 10 observations are given and total number of observations 10. Then find the mean. Mean means sum of all observations upon total number of observations 10. You can find. Next question. Question number 5. Calculate arithmetic mean of the following marks. Calculate arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means average or mean. Calculate arithmetic mean of the following marks obtained by 10 students in English in the monthly test. Observations are given. See, observations are in this form. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now marks. Roll number 1 get 30 marks. Second is 28, 32, 12, 18, 20, 25, 15, 26 and 14. In this question, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It means we can say total number of students. Total number of students is equal to 10 and marks 30, 28, 32. All students got marks having given. Now find the value of mean. Mean is equal to 30 plus 28 plus 32 plus 12 plus 18 plus 20 plus 25 plus 15 plus 26 plus 14 upon 10. You can find the mean of these marks. Okay, देखो next question. The average weight of 25 students of section A. Section A, students of the section A 25. It means value of n is equal to 25. The average weight of 25 students of section A of a class is 51 kg. Number of students 25 and average weight is given. Average weight is 51 kg. Now formula of mean is sum of all observations upon total number of observations. Mean is given. Mean equal to 51. Mean equal to 51. Sum of all observations, it means sum of the weight of 25 students upon total number of students n is equal to 25. 25 in divide after transpose in multiply, it means 25 1 jar 25, 25 1 jar 25, 5 carry 2, 25 5 jar 125 plus 2, 127. 1275 kg is the weight of, total weight of 25 students. Sum of the weight of 25 students. Okay, now After that, whereas in section B, the average weight of 35 students is 54 kg. It means section B, second section is section B. In section B, number of students 35 and average or mean weight is equal to 54 kg. Now similarly, you can find the sum of the weight of 35 students is equal to, similarly, 35 into 54, then value is 35, 4 ja 140, 0 carry 14, 35, 5 ja 175 plus 14, 189, 1890 kg, here 1275 kg. In this question, find the average weight of 60 students. Average weight of 60 students of both sections, section A and section B. It means we can say in both section total students equal to 60 and total weight of the students of section A and section B is 1275 kg plus 1890 kg. Then mean is equal to 1275 plus 1890 divided by total number of students 60. You can find answer. Then in these questions, if you having any doubt, then you can comment. Okay, thanks, best of luck.